This little beauty is called Pride and Prejudice. I just thought I'd show you that, and I'll show you my little, this is absolutely lovely, Great Expectations, but we call this Frilly Knickers. It's such a beautiful scented rose. Now come with me, I want to show you something. This is a beautiful machine, my next project. £17 from a charity shop. This is the model 27K, made up in Kilbowie, and it was made in 1908, so it is 112 years old. And what spectacular! I won't say to collectors, look at the gold work. Doesn't matter about the rest of it, we can clean that all up, but it's going to be quite a challenge. We got broken winder, you can see the springs round the wrong way, it's broken on there, and listen to this sound. This is funny. Oh, even Scylla thought it was a bit strange. But yeah, this is going to be a real project to get sorted out, and I'll show you when it's done. Bye for now. Well, the Model 27 is all done, and let me just show you. The Model 27 and the Model 28 and the 127 and the 128 were all very similar. The letter K, quite often associated with them, shows it was made in Kilbowie. And this is what's called a vibrating shuttle. Hang on, let me just get round the other side of the camera. Now if you look here, the shuttle swings backwards and forwards. So when it's stitching, it sweeps forwards and backwards, and that's what they call a vibrating shuttle. And for a while, this was the common standard machine. And as you can see, this beauty from earlier has come up spectacularly well. The secret is get rid of all the rust. You cannot have any rust on a working machine, especially around the shuttle. But I'm just going to go quiet for a second so you can hear this 1908 machine that hasn't worked for years, bought in a charity shop for £17, and now here we go. And that will do a better stitch than most modern sewing machines today, 112 years after it was made. Isn't she beautiful? Bye for now.